Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an app to measure your room light, your laptop brightness, and your mobile brightness. And there are a lot of things. It means totally you can measure the light using this app. We are going to create this app and it's really very easy. So here we are going to use MIT App Inventor. If you are new, so you have to log in into this website mitappinventor.mit.edu, and here you can see that's the dashboard. So you can see here my project option. You need to click on start new project, and here you need to type app name like light, and after this click on OK and wait some seconds, and you will see here that's our Android app first screen. So I'm going to use here one layout first, vertical arrangement, and this should be fill parent, and with this also fill parent. Now background color should be something you can do according to your requirement. Okay, so here we are using here sensor. So you can see here sensor tab, click on it and you will see here light sensor. So drag and drop this. This component is non-visible component. Okay, so now I'm going to drag and drop here one label here, and this should be with this fill parent like this, and text align I'm going to do it in a center, and the font size is 50. Okay, and this one is LUX. Actually that's the unit of light measuring. Okay, and I'm going to change this text color to something white. Okay, and vertical arrangement top not center, fine. Now we are going to click on block section, and here you need to click on light sensor, and you will see when light sensor is changed you need to update this value of your light. So click on label, and you will see here set label text. Here drag and drop this and like this, and just click on this lux and drag and drop this get LUX. That's the unit of measuring the light. Now that's very easy, you don't need to do anything right now here. And now go to the design section. Now I'm going to run this app. Click on connect and using AI campaign. So here you can see that's the value we are getting 22, 23. So if I'm going to take my mobile to the light bulb, and let's see the value will increase or not, and you can see, oh my god, it's the 10 volt light, and this one is going to up to, oh my god, 12,000-13,000. It's too much. Okay, and it's suppose I'm going to use this mobile in the front of my laptop screen. I have MacBook Air, and if the brightness is 0 almost, so here you can see if the brightness is very low, so you can see the value. If I'm going to increase the brightness of my laptop, so you can see value is going to increase, and now I'm going to make it full, and the MacBook Air light sensor LUX is almost 172, 14 and 180 almost. Okay, so that's very easy way to measure light in your Android phone. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comments. Please like my video and subscribe my channel.